How's it going? Markel here, back with another video, and it's time again for which camera is a cell phone. So today, instead of doing it inside here, was probably a little easier because of lighting to pick out which camera is a cell phone. And no, this is not one of the cameras. This is my Sony a6400 with the Sigma 16mm lens. So no, this is not one of the cameras, but I did go up on the roof with 4 different cameras and shot 4 different videos in the same exact lighting, trying to do the same exact movements with each one and see if you guys can pick out which one is a cell phone. Let's get started. All right guys, so here's camera A. I'm going to try to follow the same pattern. Take my time walking here. Camera A. And they're all going to be 4K 30 frames per second. Which camera is the cell phone? Check out the stability. Check out the sound quality. But this is camera A. Alright guys, so here is camera B. Again, 4K 30. Check out stability. Check out the sound quality. Camera B, 4K 30. And all 4 of these cameras can fit in your pocket. Can you pick out which camera is the cell phone? Trying to make the exact same movements on each shot. So again, this is camera B. C. Again, check out stability. Check out sound quality. Camera C. Trying to follow the same pattern. Walking, and it's gonna be a storm today. You can hear that lightning, but this is camera C. All right guys, and here we go with the last camera, which is camera D. Again, stabilization, sound quality. Yep, that storm's moving in. You can see it over there coming. Same lighting, same spot. Camera D. Which camera is a cell phone? Okay guys, so you saw all 4 cameras. So leave the comments below. Which one do you think was a cell phone? Camera A, camera B, camera C, or camera D? You pick out which one you think was a cell phone. Okay guys, until the next time, I am out. Peace.